Okay, so Augustin, welcome to Speaker's Corner. Thank you for coming in. You've got a vast amount of experience as a principal consultant within digital technologies. Could you briefly tell us about your professional career?
Yes, I am telecom engineer for the Catalonian Polytechnical University here in Barcelona, and I have been working as a project manager or project leader in digital technologies for close to 40 years. No?
Yeah.
When I finished my degree, I joined the Air Force. I was a lieutenant of Spanish Air Force for 18 months. Later, I was the project manager of a nuclear power plant.
Mm-hmm.
Later, I had a really, really great opportunity, a unique opportunity, especially for a guy that has been born in Barcelona. Then I was the technological director of the 9 Paralympic Games in the project of Barcelona 92 Olympic Games.
Okay.
That is something unique, and it was the best years of the city, of course. No? And when the games finished in September 92, I began with my own practice. I founded a boutique of consultancy focused on digital technologies, helping both public entities and private companies to use the technologies to be more efficient and create more prosperity.
Okay, I'm going to come to digital technologies, but I'm going to go back to the Barcelona Olympics. Obviously, it was a huge impact on the city. Briefly, what role did you have, and what impact do you think it had?
Well, the impact, of course, was amazing, no? Because it was really a great project. Mm-hmm. And when I want to explain, it's that to organize the games is really easy. Uh-huh. Yes, because all the city is pushing you, is encouraging you, so you are very motivated, everybody is very motivated. And we were using the last technology there in 92 without internet. In 92, there was no internet, but I was in charge of all the telecom networks, of the timing systems, of the sound systems, of the security systems. So it was really, really very good. And for the city, it's a great opportunity. And they believe what was very important, that they believe in very young people. I was very young people. I was only 26 years old when I was appointed as director of the technology of the 9 Paralympic Games. So it was an amazing opportunity for everybody who was involved in the project. And what is very important for the city is not the Olympics itself, it's the day after the Olympics. And what we deliver to the city, the legacy of the Olympic Games was a huge infrastructure, new airport, the belt around the city, but also in telecom that nobody see it, but we deploy fiber. We begin deploying fiber optics in the city, and we use the fiber optics in the Olympics. So it was amazing.
Okay, so maybe it's kind of, as you said before, that there was no internet then, so I guess it was part of the sort of the key transformation.
Yes, because when we talk or discuss about digital transformation, people say, "Oh, this is something very, very new and amazing." No, it's nothing new at all. Digital transformation always had been there, but we use different names to explain this. When we are talking about automation, when we are talking about telemetry, when talking about remote monitoring, remote control, we are talking about digital transformation. But 40 years ago, we have some tools and a low capacity and a low network capacity. Now we have a huge bandwidth, and we have we have a lot of power in computing and servers and data centers. But at the end, we are using the same ideas. The idea is to use these tools, use the technology tools to be more efficient, to create prosperity to the citizens in a city, or for a company to create more prosperity and to get more income, etc.
It's really interesting, because then I guess it's it's just about the tools and it's about
Yes.
what you're using the tools for.
Yes, but it's very important because to understand that we are talking about tools, and the technology is a tool. It's not the target itself.
Yeah.
It's very important to understand this, no? Because then, if not, you can be a techno fetishist, for example,
Yeah.
and this is not a good idea. Remember, one tool can be used in the right way or in the wrong way.
Yeah. So super interesting. I guess it's the same with things like ChatGPT or AI.
Yeah, of course. And for example, let's talk something about artificial intelligence. No, artificial intelligence could be they can provide right information or wrong information depending of what of the databases we are using. If we fit in the artificial intelligence with wrong information, then we are going to get wrong results.
Yeah.
So what is very important to understand is that the how good or how you can trust in the data you are using or in the information you are using to fit to the data artificial intelligence. It's very important. If you are putting here ideology or you are putting here wrong data, you are going to get an ideology answer or a bad answer.
Yeah. Really interesting. And so I know now you're about to go and talk to obviously students here at Geneva Business School. I won't ask you what you're going to talk about, but it's some really fascinating stuff.
Yes.
With all your experience,
Yes.
what one piece of career advice would you give?
My preferred advice is it's inspired by Dr. Viktor Frankl, who survived to the Nazi camps and he was a Jewish doctor. Is that it doesn't matter which problem are you facing, because you cannot sometimes, most of the times, perhaps you cannot choose the problems you are facing, but you can choose your attitude, how you are facing your problems. So your most important skill is your mental power, your brain, and also the attitude. You can have a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge, but if you are not using with the right attitude, you will not be successful at all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.